taking steps in the journey of mental health.
And this is quite a special time to be here in person again and to come together around destigmatizing mental illness.
Sunday, advocates, politicians, and community members took advantage of a sunny Portland afternoon in Peninsula Park to raise awareness and money for mental health advocacy, as well as local programs and services.
It's been 3 years since we've been able to get together.
For the first time since 2019, the National Alliance on Mental Health of Oregon hosted their NAMIwalks fundraiser in person. Chris Bonneff is the executive director.
Across the board, people are burned out, people are affected. This has affected an entire population, and what's important for an organization like mine is to return to events like this and do the work we do because there is help out there.
Oh, the energy is fantastic.
Joanna Burton walks with this sign to inspire others.
Hope, because before I couldn't even make a sign, and now I'm carrying a sign, and that's the way my life has transformed itself, and I'm so blessed.
She says resources, like the organizations represented at these booths Sunday, changed her life.
I went to this organization, North Star, when I was having a mental health crisis, and it just made me realize that I'm okay, that I would be okay, and today I live a great life. So I wanted to give back.
She now works as a case manager, helping people with severe mental illness find that hope.
I live my job. I love it.
1 in 4 adults in the U.S. lives with a mental illness, and 1 in 10 children. According to Mental Health America data, over half of adults with a mental illness do not receive treatment. That totals more than 27 million U.S. adults who are going untreated.
So that's why we're walking today, for the advocacy.
Speakers, including former Portland City Commissioner Amanda Fritz, shared stories about how mental illness has impacted their lives and their loved ones.
I'm a mother, and my daughter has struggled with mental illness for most of her life. And I'm celebrating this year because she was able to get TMS treatment.
And that is a big part of Sunday's walk, bringing people together with shared experiences so they know they're not alone.
And if we support one another, we can keep everybody healthy enough, to be okay enough that as we continue to emerge from this, we come out better instead of getting worse.